Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in London, UK and londоnclassified.org from Facebook page and YouTube page. So guys, accounting jobs in London, UK. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I'm showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, senior accountant required in London. So let's check out the details and requirements for the job. Senior accountant required in London. Are you a new qualified accountant with a small to medium sized business? Would you be keen to join an award-winning top 50 firm in North London with a tailored role to suit your long-term goals? Then this could be the role for you. Senior accountant, top 50 North London, up to 45,000. I'm currently recruiting for a brilliant top 50 firm in North London who are looking to add new faces to their growing accounting team. The firm have recently merged their statutory accounting and outsourcing teams to ensure that their employees remain well-rounded in their duties, are able to work more closely with their peers and learn from one another. The role itself will be a flexible mix of statutory accounts, management accounts, VAT and tax work, but the split of this work is completely dependent on your strength and what you want to focus on. This offers a brilliant opportunity for you to take on a role that perfectly suits your experience and long-term goals. Requirements. To be considered for this role, you will need to be a finalist or newly qualified ACA and ACCA with experience of carrying out the duties mentioned above for a UK-based accountancy firm. The ideal candidate will come from a small medium-sized firm, have excellent communication skills and be keen to learn and develop long-term experience with solicitors accounts and is highly desirable but not critical. The firm offers an excellent work-life balance, clear and structured progression, constant support and development, and opportunity to work for a truly fantastic business that cares about its people. If you are interested in this fantastic opportunity, get in touch today. Please apply online, immediate consideration. Once you have applied, if you have any question, call. Please also note that due to the volume of applications, only those shortlisted will be contacted. If you have not received a response within 2 weeks, please assume your application for this role was unsuccessful. So guys, these are the details and requirements for the job. So senior accountant required. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate. Then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply by use this link. So guys, I hope you understand. So salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other category jobs available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for the job. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also jobs links available in the description, so you can easily visit and directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.